Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about LearnDash. Why, if you're looking to build a really attractive e-learning based business website that really attracts the type of membership that you're looking for, LearnDash is a great core technology to build that type of website on. Got some great examples, plus I've got some great advice around the best technology to produce a great looking membership website. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. 3, 2, 1. I'm coming back, folks. So you're looking at LearnDash. You want to build a really attractive website. It's one of the best WordPress-based platforms that gives you the freedom to build a really great looking website. I've written an article, you find the link in the video description, that gives you some great examples of what you can build. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about the technology that enables you to build something fantastic. LearnDash provides the way to lay out your lessons, your courses. It links in with other WordPress technology to take the subscription and the payments. But fundamentally, to build a really attractive website on LearnDash, you need a WordPress technology plugin, a page builder, website builder. And what are some of the best choices? Well, fundamentally, you got two main choices here. Do you go with non-Gutenberg technology, something like Elementor? And I would advise you not at the beginning of 2025. But if you decide it's a good solution, it does work well with LearnDash. The reason why I wouldn't recommend it is the performance hit that you're going to receive. If you're looking for the most flexible, but also gives you real performance for your website, you need to look at Gutenberg, in my opinion. And the two main choices are either Cadence WP or GeneratePress. Cadence WP is owned by the company that actually owns LearnDash, so it works really well together. GeneratePress is an independent third-party page builder. It works also really well with LearnDash, but it's one of the most fastest loading ability to build really fast loading websites on the market. But it's only marginally quicker, in my opinion, than Cadence WP. And because it comes from the parent company, the benefits of using Cadence with LearnDash are quite considerable. So I definitely would look at that. Now, to take the subscriptions, the other thing is that the Cadence WP comes with some nice starter website templates that work with LearnDash. And if you host with WP-Tonic, we've developed our own range of starter websites that are aimed at membership community. Now, another factor you've got to take in is taking the subscriptions for your membership, because LearnDash doesn't come with a subscription engine inbuilt with it. You've got to use a third-party solution, either a membership plugin or WooCommerce. If it's WooCommerce, the actual add-on that enables LearnDash to communicate with WooCommerce is free. If you're going to use a third-party membership plugin, you have to buy it. The one we would recommend is SureMember. The reason we recommend it is it's keenly priced. It starts at around $100, and it works with something called SureCart. Now, SureCart gives you the ability to do uploads, upsells, downsells, and a one-page checkout environment without using WooCommerce. and they offer a free plan, which is pretty featured rich. You really have to go into very sophisticated subscription packages to have to, in our opinion, have to buy a monthly subscription with Surecart. And Surecart is owned by the same people that do Sure Member, so they work really well. And Surecart really works well with LearnDash. So that's really important. The other thing is doing marketing automation. And the thing to use in our recommendation is Fluent CRM. It does it compares really strongly with something like Active Campaign or the leading SaaS-based marketing automation platforms out there. And if you've got a really good host, some of the hosts like WP-Tonic gives you Fluent CRM with the email sending engine all combined in one package. So that's really great. If you found this video helpful, think about subscribing to the channel. That really helps me. Like I say, I've written an article. You'll find the link in the video description that gives you some really great examples what can be built with LearnDash with a great page website builder like Cadence WP, and you find the link, like I say, in the video description. And I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.